In today's video, I will walk you through how to change line chart to candlestick chart on Metatrader 5. Start by locating the chart that is currently displayed on your screen. If you can only see a single line across the chart, that means you're viewing the line chart. To change it, tap anywhere on the chart to bring up the available options. Once the menu appears, look for the line Type. You'll see 3 different options. These are Line Chart, Candlestick, and Bar Chart. To change your chart to candlesticks, tap on Candlestick. Once you've selected it, return to the chart. You'll immediately see that the line chart has been replaced with a candlestick chart. If you decide you want to use a bar chart instead, you can follow the same process again. Tap anywhere on the chart to open the menu, then tap Line Type. This time, choose Bar Chart from the list of available options. After making your selection, return to the chart, and you'll see that the display has changed from candlesticks to a bar chart. If you ever want to switch back to a candlestick type, simply repeat the same steps one more time. Tap on the chart, select Line Type, and then choose Candlestick. Once you return to the chart, it will be displayed as a candlestick chart again. You can repeat this process whenever you want to change the chart style. Just choose the chart style you want to use, whether you prefer a line chart, a candlestick chart, or a bar chart. All 3 options are available from the same setting and can be changed at any time. That's all you need to do to switch between the different chart styles in Metatrader 5. The process is quick, and you can change the display whenever you need. Thank you for watching.